Hi friends, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas. So welcome back to this very important MCQ. When doing patch testing for composite sensitivity, which of the following substances is used? And if you marked B, that is Sesquiterpene Lactone mix as the answer, you are absolutely right. And these are the students who marked it right. Basically, composite allergy refers to contact allergic reaction. That is, this is example for allergic contact dermatitis, and that is the reason why the investigation of choice patch test was mentioned in the MCQ. This is the investigation of choice. This is also very important MCQ. Please remember this. So these are basically a group of plants, and these can also be mentioned in the MCQ as Asteraceae family. The most important allergen which can be found is Sesquiterpene Lactone, which are present in the OleoResin fraction. OleoResin fraction, and basically it can be present in any part of the plant like leaf, stem, flower, and possibly even also pollen. And I hope this explanation was helpful. If at all it was helpful, please friends at least give 20 likes for this video. And this is tomorrow's MCQ, so I will vanish. So read this question. If you know the answer, 436 followed by your answer in the comment section, please. And these are my Instagram and Telegram groups. The links are there in the description below. You can join with the links. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.